for sure. But we start with these nappies.
Yeah.
These are the recyclable nappies.
Well, these are the products that we use. Our Bum Genius is the brand that we sell. I think they're probably one of the market leaders in the US.
Okay.
And we are one of the only people that provide them in Ireland. But there's a lot of people really interested in cloth nappies now, suddenly. I think mainly because you do have to make an initial investment, but in the long run, they're a hell of a lot cheaper than buying disposable nappies, you know, from when your baby is born until they're potty trained.
These guys don't come cheap. Just talk us through the prices.
Okay, well, I do a couple of value packs. Right. You know, you are going to need about 20 of these. That's all you need for your baby from when they're born right through to when they're potty trained, because this particular one, it's called a one size. It snaps to make it smaller, and then you can make it bigger as your baby grows. And the same around the front. You can go from the front and then outwards as your baby gets bigger as well. So the initial investment, you do have to pay, well, it's a €349 pack, which gives you everything you need to be a cloth nappy Supremo, but
you've done the sums.
Investment. Yeah, it's like a big investment. But when you compare it to a Pampers or Huggies or any of the kind of high street brand nappies, you're going to be paying on average about 20 cents per nappy for one of them. And even if you only use 5 a day, to make it simple, you've about €1 a day. So that's €365 in the first year alone. And the chances are you are going to use more than 5 nappies a day. So it's minimum €365 you'll have spent in your first year on disposable. So
listen, it's a good investment, and a good investment for the universe and for the earth as well.
That's
because you're saying that nappies take 200 years to biodegrade.
Yeah. I think 4% of Irish landfill is made up of nappies. You know, we have gone disposable mad over the last few years because they're so easy.
That is an absolute